Welcome to Hiking Dave's YouTube channel. So a bit of a different one tonight. Out on my first car camp. Got a lovely area to do it. It's very green, it's very lush. And yeah, let me show you my setup quick. Got the Audi blow-up mattress. Got a high gear sleeping bag and some comfy pillows. And tonight I'm going to be using an eye mask because I haven't got any blackout blinds yet. Just some shades, but yeah. Last bit of the sun going down. Oh, look at that.
And it says, go put the hay around for them inside. Do you let them inside?
Because, well, it's just the distance between the earthquake and the surface where the people are. So if you're only 10 kilometres deep, you expect a lot more damage.
Trial one run, take two.
Okay, let's see how we do this. One of them there. Get in.
Is it going to be a reenactment of the limo?
Yeah, pretty much. I'll leave me flip flops. I can leave these outside, you see. Camp shoes, right, I'm getting in. And top tip, for when I lock the car, I can reach the ignition and the turning off of the inboard sensor.
Look at that.
Because I don't have anything daft up here.
Oh, good morning. Hope you had a good sleep. Yeah, it's quite comfortable in the car. Took a while to get to sleep, just to get used to the air mattress, but yeah, overall really good. Here we go, a quick walk around Thornton Reservoir this morning. Just got up, had a quick cuppa, and off we go. Say good morning, Craig.
Oh, morning.
To the pub. Ooh. Leicester round.